Nay. Happy birthday po. Salamat sa mga kabutihan ginagawa niyo po sa mga anak ko, pamilya ko. Sana po mababa pa po ang inyong buhay at maging malusog. Mag-jogging-jogging naman po kayo ni tatay. Para yung inyong
Nagja-jogging kami every night.
katawan ninyo gumanda-ganda. Mababa palagi ang inyong buhay.
Happy birthday, nanay. Huwag kayo masyado ng masungit. Pagka inaapi, lumaban. Yun lang po. Sana umaba pa. Marami pang birthday dumating sa inyo. Umaba pa buhay nyo. At sana rin, umabot ako sa ganyang edad. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday! Sisira makeup mo. Hindi kasi unayo, parang ayaw ni nanay na magganto. Pero ayun nga, nagpa-parlor siya. Nagpakulay ng buhok, nagpa-cutic sa'yo. Sana marami ka pang birthday na dumating. Alam ko masungit ako lagi, pero pero tandaan mo na mahal kita ngayon. Happy birthday!
Salamat pala sa lahat. Tsaka wish ko lang long life at good health. At tsaka mag-aaway ni tatay.
Hey Lola! Happy birthday!
Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a
Birthday Lola!
aeroplane.
Birthday Lola!
You and I'm with you.
Birthday ko Lorna!
Hi, Nay. Happy 70th birthday. I wish you all the best on your birthday. I may not be with you celebrating your special day, but I just want you to know that I'm thinking about you. And I also wish for you to have good health, more birthdays to come, and wealth, and just be happy. Just enjoy, Nay. Just always remember, I love you and I miss you so much. I will see you soon. Love you.
Like when I close my eyes and don't even
Nay, happy birthday. I love you. Sana ay umaba pa ang ating pagsasama.
Happy birthday, Mirna. Anak pa si Mirna.
Let's all make some noise as we welcome her on stage. Let's give her a round of applause, Nanay Mirna! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Nanay Mirna!
Salamat sa inyo. Ipagdalo nyo, napakasaya ko kayo. Salamat. Sana marami pang birthday ako dumating.